The overall goal of this procedure is to develop a valuable side stream production method for Crambe meal by combining it with wheat gluten and using the extrusion method to produce a bioplastic with enhanced mechanical properties.
This method can help answering key questions in the bioplastic field, such as if two minimally processed side streams can be combined into a useful plastic material.
The main advantage of this technique is that the addition of gluten to the Crambe meal results in an extrudate with good cohesion before and after pressing. The idea is to make a new bio-based plastic material readily extrudable that can compete with oil-based plastics.
The visual demonstration of this method is critical as the material preparation and extrusion steps are all based on know-how and experience. However, improvement is all about methodological development of the process.
To begin, obtain Crambe seeds, extract the oil, and save the resultant Crambe meal. Next, sieve the Crambe meal with a round fine mesh stainless steel kitchen sieve to remove the large fiber fractions and uncrushed seeds. Store the sieved meal at -18 degrees Celsius to prevent the material from aging. Mill 250 grams of the Crambe meal at a time by placing it into a 7-liter jar along with 215 25mm diameter ceramic balls. Set the revolution rate on the milling machine to 53 RPM and mill the meal for 24 hours. Before further processing, place the ball-milled Crambe meal and wheat gluten powder into open jars and condition them in a